In this video, I'll show you how to fix call record grayed out on Android phone. If you have recently upgraded your Google Dialer application on your Android phone and whenever you're trying to record a call, it's showing that it's grayed out. So if you're having the same problem, here's how you actually can fix the problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So now to fix call record grayed out problem on Android, the very first thing that you have to do, simply go and press and hold the phone application from a device like this and then tap on app info here. And now once you're here inside the app info of the phone application, you just need to tap on this clear data at the bottom right and then tap on clear all data, tap on OK. Don't worry, this will not delete any data from a device, and then get back from here. Now go and open up the Play Store from a device and search for phone by Google. Now once you're here inside the search page, you'll get to see the phone by Google application. You just need to get into this one, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your phone application to the latest version. Or if you don't find an update, you just need to tap on this uninstall button. Tap on uninstall. Don't worry, this will only uninstall the update from a device. And once it's done, you'll get to see the update button. You actually have to tap on this update button and re-update your phone application. And you'll get to see it showing again another update. You just need to keep update until you get to see that your phone application is up to date to the very latest version. And once you're done with the update, you just need to force close all the application from the background like this and then restart your phone once. And once you have restarted your phone, once you get back, most likely a problem is going to be solved. Any call record grayed out problem will be fixed. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.